Okay, this is a tutorial on how to make the little inflation tags on your Cricut machine. So this is how the file looks when it comes in, but there's a lot of things you have to change in order for it to write instead of cut. So it comes in like this, and you're going to select it all, and you're going to ungroup it because you don't want it all grouped together. And it's going to ungroup it for you, and then you're going to select off of it and then select the first tag, and here's the tag, and it's all grouped, and all the parts that you want to be one pen. So I want this Santa hat. I'm going to click Control. I want the text hit the North Pole and Santa's deliveries downsized. I want those all to be black pen, so I'll go pen, and it already turns it black. But now I want the inflation. It can't be a basic cut like it is here. I want it to be pen as well, but I want it to be marker and in gold. So I'm going to, that's there, I'm going to drag over it and make sure that it's all selected and nothing else, and attach. That way it actually draws on the tag and not just like on a different piece of cardstock. Okay. So now we're going to go to the next one, and we're going to do the exact same thing. We're going to select the layers that we want in one pen. So you can change them to anything. That's why I did it all in different groups. So I'm going to go pen, and I want that to be a black pen. But again, I want inflation. The word has to be drawn, but I also want it in a bit thicker, and I want it in marker. So I'm going to select that, and I'm going to go off, and again I'm going to select all this, and I am going to attach it. So I'm going to go through every tag and do the exact same thing. Make sure all of the stuff on the inside is in a pen. So up here is in the draw function. And after you do all that, you have to select it all and attach it. So each one has to be attached, and that way it will print properly, and you can make these cute little tags for your gifts. Okay. And then once you're done, you just use it how you would use any Cricut file. You pick your paper, you select your tools, and you follow the prompts on the screen and put them into your machine. Okay, good luck making your tags.